Okay, I'm gonna do some veal chops for a customer that's been coming here for a long time. They're called French veal chops. I'll show you, I'll get them ready and cut it up. She wants 14 chops, so I'll clean it out. Milk-fed veal. It's one of the best veals, Provini veal. So there's chops there. That has to be cleaned up because you'll see why I'm cleaning this up like that. It's the look. It looks pretty nice. It's a very good product. We sell a lot of veal. Okay, there you go. After it's all cleaned up like this, that's what it looks like. That's a rack of veal. You know, sometimes you could do a crown too, like a crown veal, like that. That's a nice, but what they want, it's a chops. So I cut each chops like this. That's a French veal chops. So she wants 14 like that, so got to cut it up. Sorry to mess her. There you go, there's 7. There you go. There's your French veal chop. He's got 14 of them.